Haya, asanteni sana. Tafadhali tuketi. Mama Karen, mjane wa rafiki yetu George Oduor. Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, kiongozi wetu wa chama ya ODM na Prime Minister wa Republic of Kenya, viongozi wote wengine, wananchi wa hapa Siaya, hamjambo. Amoso hujo durua. Nyasaye ber. Sejete. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asanteni sana. Kwanza mimi nataka nichukue nafasi hii on behalf of the government of Kenya and on my own behalf and my family to bring condolences to Mama Karen and the family of George Oduor, a man we have come here to celebrate today. And I have come here not because George is elected in any capacity or wields any public position, but I have come here because George has demonstrated beyond any doubt that he is a Kenyan who has demonstrated competence as a security officer. He has demonstrated competence and integrity as a confidant, and he has shown immeasurable loyalty as a Kenyan patriot entrusted with the security, especially that of the Honorable Raila Odinga. And therefore, on behalf of many Kenyans, we have come here to celebrate a man, a competent police officer, a confidant with great integrity, and a loyal patriot as a security officer of the Republic of Kenya. And George, though being a very humble security officer, and because I believe very strongly in the bottom-up principle, that's why I have come here to celebrate this humble person who has demonstrated great loyalty, integrity, and competence. So, to the family, Mama Karen, tumekuja hapa kumwenzi huyu shujaa, mtu ambaye alijitolea. It is very difficult when I saw the comments of our Prime Minister about George, that he was a person you can entrust with many things, including money. You know how difficult it is to trust people with money. This is one person that Prime Minister could trust with many things, including money. And therefore, we have come here to celebrate a man of integrity, a competent police and security officer, and a man we all celebrate. Allow me to use this occasion of George, because I also came to know George as a member of ODM then. And we were in many places together. And somebody said here, I benefited also from his security services, and that is true. Whenever we went to situations as members of ODM that time, George was on hand, and many of the people I have seen here, including Lumumba, who I thought was a security officer, I now know that he is an elected MCA. And allow me to use this occasion to thank my elder brother, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. I have come a very long way with the Honorable Raila Odinga. And I want to stand here today and to say, I did not know that the man I stood by and gave my all at a moment in my life, we would eventually become competitors, and that he would eventually come and anchor my leadership. And so, the Honorable Prime Minister, I want to tell you, I am truly grateful that just the same way I stood with you when you needed a man to stand with you, you have equally come to stand with me